Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Walton. I am recording this clip to show you how to get to our Zoom meeting for tomorrow, April 29th, 2020, which is Wednesday. And I will be doing this for all future meetings. I'm on the Davis School District homepage. I can see that with the web address. I'm moving off to the side where it says Quick Links. Going down the list and finding email, Office 365. It will show some apps that I have access to. The one I'm going to is Teams. When Teams appears, when Teams opens, I want to make sure that I am in the correct team. You probably just have our team of Walton's Dragons, but as you can see, Mrs. Walton has some others. So if I go to Walton's Dragons, there are some tabs up above where I can go in different places in Teams. The tab I'm going to use right now is Files. To find the Zoom meeting for tomorrow, I see that there is a file, a PDF file, that is labeled with tomorrow's date, 4/29/20. When this meeting is finished, this invitation will then be moved into this file that says Zoom Meetings. This was the Zoom meeting from today, Tuesday. So going back, I see 4/29/20 Zoom. When I open this, I will see the date of when it is relevant. I will see the time of the meeting. I will see the link for the meeting. I will see the meeting ID, and I will see the meeting password. All you need to do, because this link here has the meeting ID in it, all you have to do is highlight this area and copy it. Once you've done that, you open up a new window, a new tab, you paste that address there, enter, and it will take you to the meeting. You will open Zoom meeting and you will be in the waiting room, and then I will let you in. A little note about the waiting room. I have a screen that shows who is in the waiting room. So if you try to get into a past meeting or a past code, I won't see you in the waiting room. You will have to use the web address that is in the file, which has the day of the meeting right here. I'm still sending them by email, but they tend to get lost, and when you look for them, it's easy to find Zoom meetings from the past and think that those are the ones that we need to join. So, Zoom meeting, start at the Davis School District homepage, go to Quick Links, choose Email, Office 365, choose the application Teams. When you have made it into Teams, make sure you are in the correct team, yours being Walton's Dragons. Right up here with the tabs here, I want to go to Files, and I will locate Zoom with the date, 4/29/20 for tomorrow. When I open that, there is a link in red that I will copy and paste into a new tab web address, and then I can get into the meeting when Mrs. Walton lets me in. Those are directions for getting into Zoom meetings. Mrs. Walton out.